Hi, this is Connor Roemlein, President of Spectrum Lighting. I started the business in 1992 with my partner Jeff Fine. Our original shop was located in Newport, Rhode Island and was a mere 250 square feet. It's very small. Over the past 28 years, we've grown the business to a 250,000 square foot factory and over 300 employees. What makes Spectrum special is our passion for lighting, our unique manufacturing process, and our people. In this video, we're going to showcase some of the manufacturing and meet some of the people that make Spectrum special. We hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for using Spectrum Lighting.
Hi, my name's Dan. I've been running the metal fabrication department at Spectrum Lighting for the past 10 years. Here we make all of the housing components and brackets that you see around the factory. We have punch presses, lasers, press brakes, insertion machines, and we also have a robotic welder that we use in this department.
Hi, my name's Jerry. I've been with the company for 26 years. I manage all the fabrication and processes for Spectrum Lighting.
Hi, I'm Greg Arruda. I'm the manager here at Spectrum Lighting for Trim Department, and we make the jewelry that hangs down below the ceiling.
Hi, my name is Jesus Robles. I'm a supervisor at High Bay. Thank you for support Spectrum Lighting.
Hi, my name is Tony Alfonso. I'm the production manager here at the surface side of Spectrum Lighting. We are here for your lighting needs. Give us a call and we'll be there to help you out. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Stacy. I manage QC in the sub-assembly room. Thank you for choosing Spectrum Lighting.
Hi, I'm Darren. I've been with the company for 20 years. I run quality and warranty. Thanks for using Spectrum Lighting.